Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And today we're going to be checking out a wireless microphone. It's a handheld microphone such as this, and it also has a receiver such as this. This is rechargeable. It's got a 500 milliamp lithium ion battery in here that will last about 6 hours. And then this, which uses two AA batteries, alkaline, will last up to 10 hours. What? Strange. All right, so it comes with the recharging cable for this receiver, and it also has a 1/4 inch to 1/8 inch stereo. If you need to convert it, like for your camera, you plug this in like so, and this plugs into your camera, so you have wireless microphone capability, or whatever the other device that you may have that uses this size. So, and also you have your hand stopper for your microphone as well. If you needed to do this, you don't want it to slide out of your hand. It looks very professional when you do that. I like that. So what we're going to do right now, we're going to plug this into my Zoom H6 that's right there, and we're going to give this a whirl. This does have, it uses two AA batteries. Like I said before, they're over under, okay? And and it has a button on the inside to change frequency if you need to. It's real simple, nothing fancy, power on, nice display. But believe it or not, the display actually does nothing. It means nothing. You see the frequency, and that's pretty much it. It's self-pairing, so it really doesn't matter what frequency it's on, per se, because you just hit the button, and as soon as you're out of interference, you're good to go. So we're gonna go check it out now. Now, just so you know, I have no idea how this microphone sounds. I didn't set the volume control. I'm assuming that it sounds just as clear or better, deeper sounding than my lav mic. This is the first time I'm actually using it. I have no idea, like I said, I have no idea how it sounds. I'm hoping I don't have to redo this. But this is a pretty cool microphone. It's really simple. You're hearing all that noise too. So, you know what, I'm just gonna read over this real quick. It has 25 auto pairing frequencies. That's a large range of frequencies, between 500 and 980 megahertz. That's pretty freaking cool. It weighs 350 grams, the microphone itself. You know what? I'm going to switch back to my lav. Let's see. It's digital. It's a digital frequency. Oh, it comes with the foam. This I added on. Okay, this is part of the kit. All right, so it comes with a recharger, the receiver, the 1/8 inch to 1/4 inch, the hand stop, and the wind guard, if you want to call it, or a spit guard, I would call it, because the rechargeable lithium ion battery that's in there is 500 milliamps, and it should be 1,000, my opinion, because it needs to match the same amount of runtime that this has than that has. But if you need something for 4 to 5 hours, then this will work perfectly fine, because usually the handheld device usually dies first. So anyway, guys, hopefully the sound sounded good on your end. We're going to find out when I edit this. And again, I'm going to have a link in the description below to purchase this if you're interested. So anyway, guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time. Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And today we're going to be checking out, became Australian all of a sudden.